Travel Divas has been very special to me. You know, I'm a woman that has been able to travel and explore the country on solo trips without knowing anyone on the trips. But what I've gained in the end is a great sisterhood of friends that are lifelong friends now. You know, on some of the trips I've been on, some of the ladies that I've met in the past have been on those trips. So it's nice to just go on a trip and know that you are not by yourself and you can travel safely.
My name is Nicole Bordeaux-Cruz. I decided to travel with Travel Divas for this trip to Italy because one, I've never been to Europe, and I've been to previous Travel Divas trips and they've been amazing. I continue to travel with Travel Divas because it's already organized. It makes an easy payment plan and it gives you the itinerary, and I don't have to do anything but show up. So it makes it very easy to travel with the Travel Divas.